Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Silk Screening Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring your creative visions to life. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, this kit unlocks a world of possibilities, allowing you to print stunning designs on t-shirts, posters, and so much more. Join me as we dive into the world of screen printing and discover how this kit can transform your ideas into tangible, eye-catching creations. Number 5. Speedball All-in-One Screen Printing Kit. This kit is perfect for those who want to try the photo emulsion method of screen printing. It provides everything you need to get started. It's a great way to explore this technique. This kit includes all the necessary tools, inks, and even a light source. You won't need to buy anything else to expose your screens. It's designed to make screen printing easy. With the included Speedball Diazo Photo Emulsion and Lamp Kit, exposing screens at home is simple. You don't need a special, light-safe room. It's convenient and user-friendly. You can create screens from detailed images. Use hard-edge drawings or high-contrast digital images. It's ideal for printing complex designs. The kit includes a screen frame, squeegee, inks, emulsion, remover, transparencies, and more. It has everything you need to bring your creative ideas to life. Get ready to start printing. What we like? This kit is truly an all-in-one solution, providing everything you need to get started. It's perfect for creating detailed images, allowing you to bring your intricate designs to life. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit that simplifies the screen printing process, this is the one for you. What people say. This was a great deal and includes everything you would need to get started. The emulsion you get in the kit will coat about 4 screens. This kit made it so easy for me to learn this process and realize I wanted to take this farther. Number 4. National Geographic Kids Screen Printing Kit. This screen printing kit has everything kids need to get started. It includes a reusable wooden mold, fabric paint, stencils, and a drawstring bag. It's a great way for them to express themselves. The kit comes with a durable drawstring bag. They can use it for their first project and show off their unique designs. It's both stylish and functional. Kids can explore their creativity with various designs, including dinosaurs, sea creatures, and more. These stencils are reusable, so they can create again and again. Screen printing is made easy with step-by-step instructions. They can improve their skills from beginner to advanced. It's a fun and educational experience. We are proud to make high-quality hands-on science toys. If they are not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. This kit is designed for fun and learning. What we like? This kit is designed with kids in mind, featuring easy-to-follow instructions and reusable stencils. It also includes a drawstring bag, perfect for showcasing their creations. If you have children who love arts and crafts, this kit will provide hours of creative fun. What people say. Easy-to-follow instructions. Includes a project and some stencils but easily added to for more challenge. She'd never tried screen printing before, so it was all unknown. Kids loved it and it really worked. Number 3. Tianiuseen One-Color One-Station Screen Printing Press. This screen printing press is perfect for your DIY projects. It's a one-color, one-station machine designed for easy t-shirt printing. It's a great choice for beginners. The printing area is 22 by 18 inches, and the machine size is 35 by 18 by 13 inches. It can handle screens up to 2 inches thick. Remember, you'll need to secure it to a table. The screen frame clamp adjusts up to 5 centimeters, and the pallet moves back and forth by 12 centimeters. This allows you to fine-tune the positioning for accurate prints. This feature makes it very user-friendly. The machine has a stable structure with a bracket to fix the platen. 2 springs help maintain balance and adjust the tension of the screen printing frame. This ensures smooth operation. Made from steel plate with an electrostatic spray finish, it's built to last. The surface is also easy to clean, ensuring it remains in good condition. This makes it a great investment. It comes with all the hand tools you need for installation. The setup is straightforward, so you can start printing quickly. Please note that the screen frame is not included. What we like? This machine offers adjustable features, allowing you to customize your printing setup. The stable structure ensures precise and consistent results. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use machine for t-shirt printing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Steel construction seems more sturdy than I imagined. Instructions appear straightforward. Number 2. 4-Color One-Station Screen Printing Kit. Introducing the 4-Color One-Station Screen Printer. This kit is designed for versatile printing on various materials. Its arms rotate 360 degrees, offering flexibility for your projects. This printer is perfect for clothing, metal, paper, and more. It's suitable for a wide range of plain printing substrates. You can bring your creative ideas to life with it. It features micro-registration for precise alignment. The screws allow for fine adjustments, ensuring accurate positioning for each print. This feature enhances the quality of your work. The printer offers high stability during operation. Locating dents and wheels secure the frame, and the spring holds it in place. The spring tension is adjustable to accommodate different frames. The pallet size is 22 by 18 by 0.7 inches, with horizontal movement of 4 inches. The screen frame clamp is 11 inches wide, accommodating frames up to 1.6 inches thick and 24 inches wide. Vertical adjustment is also available. The kit includes a flash dryer, LED UV exposure unit, drying cabinet, and screen stretcher. Accessories such as a washout tank, squeegee, and various inks are also provided. It has everything you need to get started. What we like. This kit allows for 4-color printing, expanding your design possibilities. It features micro-registration for precise alignment and includes a wide array of accessories. If you like creating complex, multicolored designs, this kit will meet all your needs. What people say. This setup came very quickly. It was packaged in the best way I've ever seen anything packaged. Fairly easy to set up. Number 1. Bright Creations Wood Screen Printing Frame Kit. This wood screen printing starter kit is perfect for beginners. It includes lightweight wooden mesh screen printing frames, making it easy to start your own projects. Master the art of applying designs to clothing or canvas bags. This kit is ideal for students, kids, and DIY enthusiasts. It's a great way to get creative. The 110 mesh silk screen is designed for short-term use. The frame is made from lightweight natural pine wood, providing a flat and stable surface. This ensures great results. The kit includes 4 different sizes, 6 by 8, 8 by 10, 10 by 12, and 10 by 14 inches. After use, simply rinse with water and let it dry. It's that simple. You'll receive 6 silk screen printing mesh frames. This set is suitable for both adults and beginners. It enhances your screen printing experience with quality and ease. What we like. This kit is perfect for beginners, offering a simple and accessible introduction to screen printing. With multiple frame sizes, it provides versatility for various projects. If you are just starting out or looking for a kit for kids, this is a great option to explore your creativity. What people say. Easy to use. So far I used 3x twice, no issues. I bought 3 packs. They work great. Just what I was looking for. Exactly as described, and I'll be getting more. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.